I got out of work early today. It's a Monday holiday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and I am gonna win some money here at the casino. What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, Wicked Explorers, and today we are at Wynn Encore Boston Harbor. It's just called Encore Boston Harbor now. It is right behind me right now. It's windy, it's January. It's actually not a bad day. I got to work early and then said, hey, let's go explore this casino since we haven't really checked out much. We're not going to be doing a room today. We're just going to do kind of an overall casino tour and some of the amenities they have there, some of the restaurants and whatnot, and then kind of poke around over there. I really haven't seen much of this. I only been here once before, so today it's going to be an adventure for both of us. So let's start outside. We are right on the waterfront. You can see the hotel behind us. You can see the city of Boston's back over there. So in the spring, summer, and fall, before it's really just winter as it is right now, you can actually take a water shuttle from Seaport Boston to here. It's really kind of cool, so you can actually be in downtown Boston and still get to the Wynn Casino, which is actually in Everett, Massachusetts, next town over. So, all right, it's getting a little cold. Let's go in and check out Encore Boston Harbor. So rooms here at this hotel are a little pretty pricey, so Susan and I haven't really attempted to do that yet. We will plan on it, and when we do, we'll do a vlog of the rooms because they're very beautiful from what I hear. But today we're just going to do a casino tour, so leave your comments, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you think. Here we go. So here we are in the entrance. We're in the second level upstairs. You can actually gain access to the casino from here, but it's closed right now. They want you all going through one entrance. There's a couple restaurants. Up here. There's the Garden Cafe that's over there. And there's a little lounge that's behind me right here. And behind me is the grand entrance with the big floral display over there. Parking is free. Self-parking was free. They do have valet parking as well. So keep that in mind when you come here. They also have off-site parking too if you want to go and take a shuttle here. So right behind me is another entrance, but it doesn't seem like much open. So we're just gonna go to the main entrance of the casino, walk down there and check it out, and we'll go from there. So what's some money? rare steakhouse back there. Very good, very expensive, but it's a nice anniversary place to go. Alright, so we're in the second level of kind of like the atrium here at Wynn. You can see below. Memoir, the nightclub is over there. Arty's there sometimes. Very busy. It is a holiday here too in Massachusetts. Well, I guess it's a federal holiday, so everyone has a day off. It's Monday. Packed. A lot of slots on this floor. We're going to start walking over to what they call the loft, where they have some more table games, and the poker room is over there. But yeah, check some more stuff out. So I'm over at the Wynn Sportsbook right now. So sports betting isn't technically legal in Massachusetts yet, although I guess the governor's just waiting to sign on at this point. But Wynn had gone ahead and built a sportsbook over here. So as the cashier counters where you can go and cash out, you would an ordinary sportsbook and have these giant TVs and this huge little atrium. Right now this area is being used by 2 restaurants. I can't imagine that being the case once the gambling is full-blown ready to go, but who knows, we'll see. But it is ready to get the trigger pulled. Whenever they decide to make sports gambling here, they go Massachusetts, this place will be ready to go. The cages are all set, everything's done. It was a huge renovation they did over here. So originally this was the buffet when this place first opened. This place has only been open for about 3 years now. 2019 they opened. So yeah, they already took out the buffet and decided it was more likely to be used as a sports book. So that's where I am right now. I'm going to grab a drink, watch the rest of the Celtics game. Oh, one thing I wanted to add as well, there's 2 atriums here as well. One atrium is called the Loft. That's where there's a bunch of slot machines and stuff up there. There's another atrium that you can't get to from the Loft. It's a separate stairwell. That's the poker room. That's elevated above the rest of the casino floor. So if you're on one, you just got to go down the stairs of the escalator, go back up the stairs of the escalator, get to the poker room, and vice versa. But everything else on the main floor is pretty much accessible for the most part. And all the restaurants that are in the casino are all located on the first. That's not necessarily true because the sports bar is on the second floor. So I guess there's a variety of food and beverage areas sprawled out. We're going to go find the center bar, and then we're going to do some more looking around. So we've covered about half this casino so far. So I was wrong. You can get to the loft area and the poker room. You just gotta walk around this kind of catwalk with some bathrooms and some function space. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm actually walking from the loft area all the way to the poker area. So I guess when you're up here you can. So I was wrong about that. I guess I probably should have walked along, but I'll also directly get into the resort from here as well too, about half the going around. And I was wrong again. It wasn't a poker room. It's actually a high limits room, which I did not know about. I feel like last time I was here it was the poker room. But so they have this sports room here. You can actually buy sports memorabilia. Like for example, they have David Ortiz's sneaker here for $900. Kind of cool. Alright, so this is how I'll end the video right here. We're at the sports book here at the Wynn. We have reclining chairs, which are very, very nice. And I just finished watching the Celtics game, and I'm going to head home. So that's the conclusion. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Leave a comment below if I said anything incorrectly. And next time we come here, we're going to explore a room. So, and hopefully the sports room will be open. Love these reclining chairs. Can't beat that. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.